Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time, the Lego Friends Street Food Market set. I'm loving this set. We have a collection of international foods here, which I love. We've got a juice bar, 3 mini dolls here, and I bought this set especially for this little cactus here. 592 pieces in this set, and it retails for $80 here in Australia, but I paid $47, which I thought was a fair price. So we'll just take out the packets and see how many we get. We get 5 packets in this set and an awesome sticker sheet set with lots of food on there. So let's build. Packet 1, and I see some fancy light posts and this awesome hairpiece. Let's start with Emma. We've seen these clothes before, her little skirt and shoes and that little vest that she has on there. But look what we get. We get interchangeable heads, and she's doing the winky eye, but check out her hair. I am in love with her hair. So she has some plaits here at the back and these 2 little gorgeous buns. We'll pop her aside and put her head there because Nandi's next. I love her top clothes, everything about her, the new skin tone, and she gets a head too that rolls away, and she is smiling very nicely there, closing her eyes, but look at her hairpiece. That is the best hair in the world. And what did I spot? Oh no, she's got scratches on there. That's not good, Lego. I'm not happy about that. I'm gonna have to try and fix that. All right, you stand over there, Nandi, with your second head. Next is the little ginger ninja cat, and he's just too cute. All right, girls, let's build this cactus here. I love how this cactus is built. Look at its little arms. We'll pop his little flower there, and it looks like he's doing a power lift. He looks nice and strong like that. And now we put a little apron on him. Well, it's not an apron, it will be a sign. And he's got no prickles, so I can give this cactus a big hug. Okay, next is I think it's the table now. So we're just building up the section for the lampposts. Same little hinges here on this side. I've got to get them around the right way, and just building this up for the lamppost also, and they're going on an angle. Now we need some bench seating, so the slats are going in here for the bench, and we're putting in these arches here to fancy up the table a bit. And a bit more wood here, and some plants, and just some flowers here to pop on the side. So we need 2 of these, 1 on each side. Here's some fancy lampposts. We've been getting a few of these in this new wave of sets. I'm happy about that. And this part is going to go in between the 2 lampposts. It's going to have some lights and some banners on there to show what food they're selling here at the street food market. There is fruit for the juice bar, a hot chili for the tacos, and that looked like a little nigiri thingy for the sushi market. Pop that on there, and I've got some lights to pop on as well. Forgot about those, and I'm just destroying everything. Hang on, there we go. Fixed. Now is like a little poke bowl or a ramen bowl from the sushi bar, so that goes over here. We have a little taco, which I love, mobile phone, and some more sushi. This looks delicious. And of course the cat gets some food also, so he's joining in. Nandi's here, she's going to be eating the taco. Emma's sitting down, she's going to enjoy the sushi, and I'll fix that up. Look at this, and packet 2, this is the start of the taco truck. Oh, we got Sebastian's little jacket there and some Technic parts. Okay, Sebastian, love your outfit, buddy. Love those glasses, the shoes, little pockets on your pants, and you get another head too. And his is like a surprised, or looks like he's poking out his tongue. Haha. Start of the taco truck, we got these two Technic parts going on as the base, wheel arches. I've actually really liked this taco truck. It is 8 studs wide, so it is quite a wide truck. Normally they're doing the 6 studs wide, but I guess they needed to make it a lot larger to fit everything inside. So here's the front bumper bar with the number plate Spacey. And now just building it up. Putting these red slopey bits on here at the front to make the bonnet, and I like it. It looks like a proper truck. Here are the nice blue seats going in, and we're going to have a steering wheel on this side because we're in Australia. I'll put it on the opposite side, and look, we even get a gear stick. How cool's that? It's a proper truck. These are the little side mirrors on the truck, and I love that we're using so many different colours. It looks like a big, I guess, burrito. Finish off the comfortable seats in here, and now just building up the back. Popping on this wheel arch here. And now we need the tail lights to go on, the stop lights, so you know when the truck's going to stop. And more bits and pieces, so more colour. I love that we're adding extra colour in here. And hang on, I've done something wrong. There we go, fixed it. I was reading the instructions incorrectly. And I think this part's a little servery section, and we've got to put the back bumper on. No number plate on there, and I forgot that part. So packet 3, this is to finish off the taco truck. So this taco truck takes up 2 packets, and we've got this huge chili and Sebastian had his mouth open there. Okay, let's do the inside of the truck. So this is where the little fridge is going, and we're going to put some chilies inside, and I think there's going to be like a little bit of meat in there. I don't know, or is that like a nacho shell, or who knows. Let's hang up more big chilies here, so they're at the back of the truck. And now this part here is where we're going to be cooking everything. So we're going to have a little stove top. We have a little cheese grater here, lots of cheese for everything, 'cause cheese makes everything tasty. And I need to work out which way these little hinges go. This section here is the little door section, so it's going to swing open so you can play inside the taco truck. And I'm just building up the back end of it now. So it's going to be like on a little angle there by the looks of things. 2 windows going in to add in extra light. And this looks like a big nacho. Look at it. It's a big corn chip on the roof. Look at that. It is on an angle. That looks awesome. I'm loving this. And now just building up the wall here on the front for the servery window. There's a menu here for a burrito, taco and nachos. Yum! I would love to eat from this food truck. Mexican's one of my favourite foods. This is the little awning that's going above the servery window, and that's to stop any rain or sun beaming in or getting in. And this part here is the roof part, and this is going above the driver's seat. So building it up with the same colours. Okay, let's pop it on here. Oh wow, this truck's looking awesome. I need to put another corn chip on top, and this here is going above there, the little spinny thing. And more of these macaroni decorations. I don't know, it's meant to look like guacamole and cheese and toppings. And just a little exhaust chimney there. And now this is going to be the sign, and this is so gorgeous, you'll see. This is a little taco. Oh my gosh, I want tacos now. And he's happy to see everyone. He's like, eat me, come eat at my taco truck. Oh my goodness. All right, we need wheels on here because we need to drive this thing around. Pop them on. Oh no, loving this. And we have some side steps to go on. And now I just need to pop some food on the side here. We've got nachos with guacamole. We've got this sauce bottle, maybe it's chili sauce. And oh, Sebastian is going to go in and drive this truck away. Packet 4, and this will be the juice bar, and I saw a little spoon there. Okay, so this will be like a little crate with all the fruit in there. We're popping a carrot in, that's going on the side of the juice bar. And now we get a green bin, and we're popping a very healthy looking banana in there. I don't know why we're throwing out a good banana. Just building up the walls here and knocking over rubbish cans and bananas flying everywhere. This is the little servery section as well for the little juice bar. And we get the little cash register there, and I've got a little bottle there. Just building up the structure here because we are going to put a roof up here. Here's the little blender to blend all your juices. So popping in some grapes in there. We're going to have some green grape juice and more little juices here on the side. I love these little cups that they've made with the little straws. And this is going to be a little orange juice. I love that. It's a printed tile. We have lots of money here on the side, $100, so quite expensive juice. Menu here on what the juice bar is selling. And we're going to pop some little stools here with some comfy orange and lime seat covers. This is looking very colourful and pretty. The roof section's going on now, and alternating the yellow and pink awning. Oh wow, I love the contrast of these colours. This is a very colourful juice bar. And this part here is going to be for the sign to attach that big carrot. So finish that off, and here's the start of that ginormous carrot that we're putting on the roof. I just need to put this stalky bit on the carrot, and I've pushed it in too far. That's better. And now it's getting attached to the roof. What a beautiful colourful juice bar. Alright, packet 5. This is the sushi stand, the Japanese stand, and oh, we get some gold knives. This little Japanese restaurant is built pretty much the same as the juice bar, just different colours. Just popping the servery, and I found a big chopstick underneath, stuck under there. This is just a little plant going in on the side for some extra decoration. And again, just building up the roof supports here on the side. And here will be a fish going in, and oh no, my cat discovered the fish and he dropped it and he's run off. Give me back the fish, Mishka, come on. All right, let's finish this off. I will get that fish back in a sec. Here's a little soy sauce bottle that is so cute. Another cash register going in, a bottle and a bowl and some money and sushi and 2 of these gold knives. This is to fillet the fish really fine. We have a little menu sign going here on the side, and it is going to be going on an angle. So that's what that little bar was on the side there. 2 little stools and a little planter box going in here on the side. Now's the start of the roof, and I'm just popping in some clips here because they're going to be holding on to these bars in a sec. So these bars will be holding on to some little white lanterns that we're popping on here, just to add extra decoration. And then we got these bits here to make like a angled awning. There we go, all done there. And now just finishing off the roof part to make it look more authentic Japanesey with these slopey bits going in on the side. These cherry blossom leaves going up to make it look so pretty and colourful. And this will be another cute little sign. So it's not a taco, but it's a bowl, and it's going to be like a poke bowl or ramen bowl up the top, and I forgot to pop these little chopsticks in. Look at that. I love this. Sebastian has been dared to buy a really hot chili. Now Sebastian needs some water desperately because of the hot chili. Emma's poked herself in the eye with the chopsticks, and me and Nandi are just laughing our heads off. Sebastian's decided to get a grape juice to stop the burning chili. Ah! Emma's eyes still poked out with the chopstick, and the cats are going nuts over the fish. The Lego Friends Street Food Market set. What a set. This could go into any city. Like, you can incorporate this anywhere. It doesn't take up much room, and it just looks gorgeous with all the colours. I love that taco truck. It will be a bit hard to fit onto the roads because it's so wide, but I'll make it work anyway. And that little cactus, I just wanted to give it a hug because its arms are all stretched out. So I hope you've enjoyed my video on this. So everyone, get your bricks out.